that, break that, take that. Got a.
Right now we in Chicago, you feel me? With your boy Foss, Foss and Visuals. I feel like I always gotta say that, but yeah, man, we finna head out to LA, do a little apartment shopping, looking around. Hey, yeah, man, I'll catch y'all when we get there. We're now in sunny Los Angeles, man. Look, you see the sun, yo? No cap, I haven't seen the sun in like 2 weeks living in Indiana, bro. I don't know, man, it just feels good. We out here finna go look at these apartments, you feel me? Seeing where we potentially finna be having the Grundy Gang headquarters. We're just gonna see what happens. We wait for this man EK, so as soon as he pull up, we finna go look. Yeah, the first apartment right now. Just looking through, trying to figure out where we want to go. This one look decent though. We're gonna do a room tour so you can like see the actual inside of it. But from the outside, like it looks clean. Like I don't know, maybe y'all should just give me an opinion on which ones y'all like the most, and then I don't know, maybe I'll influence my decision or something. But we gotta look at the room first though. No, I'm good.
These two are the same floor plan, they're just flipped. So you're gonna have 2 bedrooms in the back or 2 of them in front. All they do is they take the dining room wall, they push it out, and it leads into your. Where are you guys coming from? Indiana. Okay.
It's everything.
Hey, we gotta get a floor up, bro.
To show, but like I said, there is second floor and third floor coming available for your moving.
Okay.
Yeah, and I can show you guys the locations of those units if you'd like.
Okay.
So yeah. I got you. There you go.
Thank you.
We give him some recipes. Oh my god.
This the these the washer. This how it looks right here. The washer and dryers and stuff.
It has a washer and dryer. So this is also an end unit, so you don't share a wall. On that side of that patio is the office.
Oh, this is this? Yeah, I like this one already, but. It sound like crazy.
That's so like.
Bro, I'ma definitely need this room, boy. So this is the first one. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this place, yo. This place mad clean, to be honest, and it's not even that much rent. Like 3 bands.
But your 2 other rooms are all closets.
And this is like more of an equal one, or like a.
Yeah, this is what I was explaining. This is more of an equal, more room layout.
It's small. I
than
can
most
get
of the
this.
other ones.
What?
You gonna be in this room?
That's gonna feel like you went. Hell.
You laughing? That's what you feel.
Thinking about.
Y'all room over there.
And it's gonna be EK room, bro. So it's all good.
No.
Hey, they funny for the shower though. Look. You get one toe in there. No, this might be decent though. I ain't gonna lie. 2,900, bro.
Back to the property. Each building has its own rooftop terrace. We try and close it at 10. You're gonna be here after 10. Be courteous of the units below you.
Oh, they was gassing it. Like this boy just be like never. It's decent, bro.
Crazy, man. Our lives are about to change.
Hey, what she's like, I don't care for it. Hey, by the apartment, leave, boy. Hey, boy, we just came up for the snacks, bro. We came in this mud looking for Hey, life hard out here, man. Yeah, so this is the first spot. I'm finna have everybody just tell us which one better, bro. Cause I feel like it's gonna come down to like something like real minuscule.
Which is more towards outside LA. Okay. It is more expensive. I mean, Marina would be a lot cheaper.
Damn. Expensive. But look at the amenities, bro.
You can get
Like,
pictures up. You can get pictures up there.
Nah, the amenities on this joint crazy, yo. Like, they definitely finna tax us for this joint. I don't know why my camera not really adjusting, but they need to hurry up and adjust. But so far, man, I don't know. This is the second place. We still gotta see a room. So we're gonna see what the room looks like and take our judgment from there. But so, like, this is, what area is this? That first room was North Hollywood, right? This one is like not that far away.
We're by Pasadena.
Pasadena. So honestly, just trying to pick something that's like in a decent area where everything's like around. But I don't know. We gotta see what the room look like. Hey, bro. We might have to hit a little snack with, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Just say the word, nephew.
I know, like, here it's probably super useful to be, you know.
Yeah. So this is one, and then I have another one I'll show you guys.
This is mad cool. Oh, dang, this room huge.
Boy, can't nobody over 6'5" years.
This stuff is like, dang, Abe, come look at this entrance, bro. I don't know about this. ain't no way you gonna squeeze in here. But the way it looks though, is nice. Wow. Yeah. Hey, why they got the washer and dryer in somebody's bedroom? Like, this would be your room.
Oh, boy, stop saying that, bro. It's got me fucked up.
Hey, you think I'm playing, bro? That's gonna be your room, bro. With the washer and dryer.
Bro, y'all nothing to add 200.
I'm finna come in the room and wash some clothes at like 2 a.m. in the morning. Hey, this is a nice little, when you wake up in the morning. Yeah. Hey, you just, I like the color a little bit better.
The rules are even.
No, actually, I think this one is $30.95.
It gotta be, because look at all these rows, bro. Like,
$30.95? Yeah, I think this is like $100 more. Yeah.
oh, this smooth right here. This looks smooth. What y'all think about this joint?
Movie, they got the Wi-Fi surround sound system in here. Okay. Projector screen. Generally open 8 a.m. to
Theater
6
in
p.m.
it. Bro,
I'm so finessed by Uber right now.
we walking up this hill, man. I can't even breathe. I got this big old bag on, bro. But these houses nice though. Oh yeah, I'm definitely using this as my thumbnail. Yep, definitely finessing that for the thumbnail. Sorry I had to clickbait y'all, but you know what I'm saying? The YouTube world out here rough.
Hey, Grundy, you think you can talk to me that way?
Hey, bro. I just wanted to see him, bro. Like, but my battery had shut off, so that's why it's like a quick jump to clips right now. But got a new battery, so we should be good. And we finna go to Airbnb real quick. So yeah, man, out here still. We got a couple more days. It's day 2, man. We finna go to another little spot. There's a couple things going on today. Honestly, we might hit up this little place. Might do this thing with this glasses brand. Might go around shopping in the hills. I don't know, man. It might be a whole lot, but come on, bro. You gonna mess up my hair, man. This man ugly, bro. But yeah, bro. Nah, the Uber is 5 minutes away. Oh.
It's kind of out here.
Man, it's mad far. It wasn't that far at first when we was just driving, but.
Bro, that's gonna experience everything LA has to offer. Yeah. In that drive.
Oh,
So this is
I like the ceilings is high, like it feels.
Bro, it's already set up, bro.
hello.
Look at this,
Yeah,
bro.
this-
This is crazy. This is an edge bathroom, bro.
Yeah. Wow, this is exactly like Ed's bathroom, bro. Yeah, it's kind of fire. I ain't far as the inside goes.
In the master bedroom?
Yeah, we just sit down. It's pretty solid. I feel like the smaller bedrooms on these ain't as small as like that.
I'm doing this. That bitch don't work. Look, you open this bitch over. This bitch feel like you feel like you in Jerusalem, folks.
This is what I need, bro. And you know what's crazy? This wouldn't even fit half my clothes.
You said take off live here?
He said Chief Keef was always here.
Oh.
Tado's always here and Chief.
Hey, she think we fucking celebrities. Cause she was like, yeah, and it's still as far away if you know you guys are celebrities or anything.
Oh yeah, she did say that. Okay. I feel like it's dating the camera, bro. Right now we at Jack in the Box, chilling. The last place we went to, the door wasn't open. And to be honest, everything out here is like super far away from LA, or just like that LA, North Hollywood, Glendale area. So I don't even think it's worth it at this point. So we trying to like either find another move or just go with like some of the earlier places we looked at. So what's up, man? Hollywood Boulevard right now. Chilling, cooling. Looking for another apartment because the last one whacked us. Bro. Hey, this best. That's cool. We at Top Man right now. This coat, honestly, like the materials of it, it's a nice little clean, shiny coat. Wait, you said what?
Amazing, yo.
Man came in here to test some ice cream out, bruh.
Funny surprise. So surprising.
It is.
Such a rich.
Man, take you a lick real quick, bro. How it tastes? Exquisite? Too ugly. This one right here crazy.
These are the drinks that, yo.
But somehow I found myself back at Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. I don't know why we're here. I'm not even finna cop nothing, but yeah, man. We somehow back on this mug. All the same stores. I feel like, bro, I feel like I was literally just here, bro. Or we can go to the Louis Vuitton store. They changed this whole front. I look, you wanted like a pair of these. That's not crazy. Uzi got the vest. You got the vest version. Oh no, Tyler got those. This is the new menswear collection they just dropped with that puffer jacket. LV store. Dang, bro, I want to go across the street and take a picture of this store.
No, I'm just pretty. This is dope. I've seen this piece everywhere.
Oh, this is hard. We're in the Louis Vuitton X store right now, in case y'all was wondering, but. I still buy them low-key. Louis Vuitton X store, bro. Same as, it's kind of like similar to the gallery, but the gallery in Chicago, but it's nice though, it's crazy. Yeah. So this last day, we finna go back. I don't know, man. It's like LA is kind of like a weird place But like, it's kind of like either you can take what you can get or just like pay hella money. And that's the little situation we're in now. So it's just like, or we can take a risk of just like looking somewhere without having, and we're all without seeing it first. So yeah, that's the situation we're in. So if y'all trying to move to LA, then now y'all can see what we doing. So yeah. I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. So I'm in here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, man, I'll be back to y'all with more videos. Peace.
I just want a new grill, shining like a new whip. Adam got a new drip.